Hi, I'm Matt, welcome to VanWerks. Today we're going to have a look at this Austop pop top roof that we've got fitted to a van. So I'm just going to run through a couple of different features of it with you, and then we will jump inside and have a look at the interior as well. So to start with, from the outside, this one has the scenic roof, which is lovely, zips out all the way around. You can roll that up, and that's just great in the summer. Get extra light inside, and it really is a fantastic feature. You've got good high lift at the back, so you do gain some height instantly at the back when you sat there in your camper conversion, and it is entirely possible. You'll see we've got a solar panel on the roof. Now that's bonded on, it's only a couple of mil thick, and we can have that with the wire coming through under here, so you have nothing protruding on the top. Very stealth, sleek little finish. Round the front, you've got your mesh windows in either side, and then at the front, a nice big perspex window, so even on days like today, you can still get some sunshine into the van. The interior side of things, the way the roof is secured down when you're driving is done with straps. The other roof we do is the skyline roof, and that has the cam locks with a physical lock and key, but this one has the straps, which I will show you. So you can see here, the two straps. Simply pull these down, pull the straps tight, and that secures the roof. I'll show you that properly in a minute, but just while I'm in here, the other thing I'll show you is the bed. Now this has the deluxe bed, which Austops do. So this is a nice breathable fabric finish, and then we'll pull this down and you'll be able to see on top you've got a memory foam mattress, and you'll also have the plastic pocket spring. So this is much more like sleeping on a bed that you would find at home, and is a nice improvement over just a ply surface. The other thing you'll notice is this one isn't bifold because of the nature of the deluxe bed, whereas the ply bed in the skyline is bifold. So what that means is just back here, there is a slight reduction in height because it's hinged from here. But again, I'm 6'2". By the time you sat in here, it's still quite a sizable space to be working with. And I did say I would show you how it closes. So you simply drop that down, grab the straps, and then you can just lower your body weight down with the straps. The key thing you're looking for is to make sure that you don't get any straps caught in the back. So I will just finish this process. Once you get down a little bit further, somewhere here, you can just pull the canvas in nice and tight, pull it in at the front. What we're looking to get is a nice little concertina finish. Tuck these in the sides, and now this is the key bit to watch. If you get your hands behind the straps when you pull down, tuck the canvas out the way, you can see now that that piece of strap is direct from the roof through the loop. Pull it, same again this side. That piece of strap there, if I move this out the way, it's direct from the roof through the loop. You pull that, and now that's the roof secured down. You can just tuck the canvas back up into these cavities a bit, and same with the straps. And that is now you ready to drive off. Inside, these roofs come with a plain ply board, so you can choose to have that done in suede or carpet, and there's no lighting as standard in here, but they are wired, so we can put a nice spotlight like this one, various different light options, whichever you prefer. So the last thing to look at, now the roof's down and secure, you can just see its shape. So from the front, there's a nice slope, it's quite subtle. This particular one, again, they come in black and white as standard gel coat finishes. You can have them color coded to your van, or you can pick another color. That is an additional cost, but 9 times out of 10 the black works really well because you'll probably have windows there black, and it just brings it together. But if I close this door and step back, you can have a look and see it's a low profile roof. It's still going to get under your barriers of car parks, things like that. And obviously if you do lower the van, you'll be able to gain even more space for those really low barriers. But that, in a nutshell, is the Austops roof.